Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song called Playing Games by Summer Walker. Alright, let's go to Jordan's studio and start. So from here, you're gonna put your weight on your left. Then look to your left. Then 1-8 slowly up. 1, 2, 3, 4, half, 5, 6, 7. Change weight on 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, half, 5, 6, 7. Change weight on 8. Next, drag your left. 1, 2, 3, change weight again. 4, 5, look back on 6, 7, weight on 8, 6, 8. One more time. 6, 7, and 8, 7. Drag it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right, let's combine one and first and second. 5, 6, 7, and go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next from here, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Close on 4. Then goes left, right, arms. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time, move back. One more time. So 7 and 8 goes 1, 2, 3, close on 4, left, right, cross. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's continue here. 4, then 5. Front 6, turn around on 7 and 8. Don't open. One more time. 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Coca-Cola. Alright, let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, more sexy. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and go. 2, 3, 4. Touch yourself. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next one. You're gonna do isolation 3 times. 3 times only. Going down. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, side, 7, 8. Alright, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, from here, go side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy? Let's continue to the side. 1, 2, front, 3, 4, step to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, chest. 1 and out. Yes, one more time from the beginning. Let's do it slowly. Alright. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chains on 8, close. 1, 2, 3, chains, weight. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, sit. 4, 5, 6, 7, close 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, turn 5 and 6, 7. Drop 1 and 2. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that I made for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. Alright, see you on my next tutorial, dance and vlog video. Bye bye! Cheers!